हॅलो वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ कोंकणी फंडेज आणि आयचो आमचो टॉपिक आसा अ कंपॅरिजन बिटवीन स्कॅम 92 एक सिरीज आशिल्ली टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ 2020 अरावंड ऑक्टोबर जी सिरीज आयिल्ली आणि विथ द न्यूली रिलीज्ड मूवी कॉल्ड बिग बुल जातून अभिषेक बच्चन मेन प्रोटॅगनिस्ट आसा आणि ऑफकोर्स खबर आसतलें स्कॅम 92 प्रतीक गांधी मेन कॅरेक्टर आशिल्लो. सो पयलीं एक कॉन्टेक्स्ट दिवपाचो म्हणजे बोथ दीस स्कॅम 92 आणि बीग बूल हे हर्षद मेहता जो स्टॉक ब्रोकर आशिल्लो ताका बीग बूल सुद्दां म्हणटाले हे ताज्या लायफीचेर की तो लायक फ्रॉम नथींग तो कसो सामको कोट्याधीश जालो वॉट वॉज हीज रायज तो कसो रायज जालो आनी ताणें स्कॅम कितें केलो एंड तें दाखोवपाक सोदता एंड दॅट्स द एंटायर स्टोरी आनी तो कसो ताका धरलो कितें इन्क्वायरी जाली आनी एंड टुवर्ड्स द एंड कितें जालें ताजें सो सुरू करुया सो पयलीं म्हणजे ऑब्वियसली इट इज लिटल डिफिकल्ट टू कंपेर बिकॉज एक सिरीज आसा स्कॅम 92 आनी बीग बूल इज अ मूवी नाव सिरीज जेन्ना आसता विथ अरावंड लायक 8-9 एपिसोड्स सो तुका टायमूय चड मेळटा टू शो मोर डिटेल्स आनी तशेंच जाल्लें आसा एज कम्पेर्ड टू बीग बूल जंय फक्त 2 वरांची मूवी आनी तुका रॅपीड लायक टेम्पो दवरचो पडटा सो दॅट यू कवर द एंटायर स्टोरी एंड ऑल्सो कीप इंट्रस्ट सो एंड दॅट्स वेर आय थिंक स्कॅम 92 चड प्रॉफिटेबल जाला बिकॉज इट वॉज अ सिरीज बिकॉज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थंय चड डिटेल्स दाखोवपाक मेळ्ळे की तो कसो आशिल्लो हर्षद मेहता तो शिकलो कसो what was his struggle and what was his mindset and planning कशी केली how he involved bankers how he learned about the bank receipts आणि तो हळूहळू करून कसो ताणें तो एक्चुअली फूल स्कॅम कितें थंय आमकां सामकें डिटेल्सान कळ्ळें सो हुएवर इज न्यू एंड मे बी थोडी कॉमर्स ऑर अकाउंटींग बॅकग्राउंड आसा दे वूड रियली रिलेट टू इट एंड इट इज इजिली अंडरस्टँडेबल की हो स्कॅम कितें तो as opposed to Big Bull because it's a movie they want to show it faster. That transition was very fast. So तुका खबर ना बॅकग्राऊंड समज तुम्ही वाचू ना की 92 स्कॅम कितें जाल्लो देन इट्स व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट की बाबा हे बँक रिसिप्टान केलें कितें बिकॉज ते सांगतात की कितें जालां तें बट यू डोंट रियली गेट वॉट हॅज एक्चुअली हॅपन कित्याक ते फास्ट एंड आय थिंक वॉचिंग बीग बूल ऑल्सो ज्यांनी स्कॅम 92 पळयला दे यूज टू रिमेंबर अरे बाबा थंय अशें जाल्लें म्हणजे हांगा रिलेट केलां सो मे बी स्कॅम 92 अजून लोकांच्या तकलेन आसा म्हज्या तकलेन आशिल्लें जेन्ना हांव बीग बूल पळयतालो तेन्ना सो एंड दॅट इज द एडवांटेज ऑफ स्कॅम 92 तूं जेन्ना आयलें पयलीं आयलें एंड आय थिंक अरावंड दॅट टायम हांवूय फॉलो करतालो बीग बूल सुद्दां येवपाचें आशिल्लें एंड आय थिंक बिकॉज स्कॅम 92 केम आनी तें इतलें हिट जालें दॅट्स वाय बीग बूल जे प्रोड्युसर्स आसा तांच्यांनी ही मूवी डिले केली करत करून आतां एप्रिलान तांच्यांनी रिलीज केल्या सो ऑब्वियसली टू द डिटेल्स जी स्टोरी तांच्यांनी मूव फॉरवर्ड केल्या ऑब्वियसली अ प्लस पॉयंट टू स्कॅम 92 आय फेल्ट की बीग बुलांच्यांनी खूब घाई केल्या फास्ट दाखोवपाक ते 2 वरांच्या हातून दाखोवपाक दे हॅव लॉस्ट आउट ऑन द डिटेल्स सेकंडली कम्स द मेन हांवें कंटेंट म्हणला बट ऑल्सो द डायलॉग्स रायट there are numerous dialogues in scam 92 which are memorable right risk hai to ishq hai one basic one so but big bulan ashe kai memorable dialogues अशे याद उरना and that's another thing right when a series येता की तुका याद दवरूंक जाय तुजे रिकलेक्ट जावपाक ती मेमरीन main dialogues are very necessary and that has really been the plus point of scam 92 की dialogues amazing आशिल्ले and that also allowed Pratik Gandhi to enact it he enacted it really well सामको हर्षद मेहता कसो and maybe ताजो Gujarati background might have helped for enacting that role so I think the casting was really good and the dialogue so both Pratik Gandhi आणि जे डायलॉग्स आसा दे मेड बोथ स्कॅम 92 एंड प्रतीक गांधी ऑल्सो very पॉप्युलर एंड हिट एंड ताका खूब रोल्स मेळटा एंड एज अपोज मे बी अभिषेक बच्चनाक घेतिल्लो कित्याक ताणें पयलीं गुरू हो मुवी केला बेस्ड ऑन धीरूभाई अंबानी एंड मे बी producers felt that probably in this situation where it's stock broking in share market, maybe Abhishek would do a fair job. And I think Abhishek has tried his level best, but maybe he was not the perfect fit for this. There were not enough meat. Although the storyline was good, but then storyline, like, you can do only that much. But तिथले dialogues नाशिल्ले त्याच्या खातीर. He was more one directional and too fast paced. Also, series जेन्ना करता तेन्ना you you get some time to develop the characters around the main protagonist, right? So in Scam 92, तुका Suchita Dalal आशिल्ली, the main journalist who uncovered the scam. RBIचो I think director ताका प्रोजेक्ट करपाक मेळ्ळो की हाव ही लर्न इट एंड ताणें कशें हेल्प केलें. CBI इन्स्पेक्टर जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन करता ताजो एक रोल आशिल्लो, रजत कुमार I think played it. Rajat Kumar or Rajat Sharma, I'm not sure, but but whoever plays it, he did a very good job. He showed like as a character very strong Dakhela who investigates and gets under it. While on the other side, Big Bulan, it was a very small role for Ileana, maybe more as narrating rather than doing much. It was a very short role as compared to her importance of the movie. Big Bulan main Harshad Mehtacheru's focus kela, while in the Scam 92 they kind of although Harshad Mehta character was the main, but they gave enough importance to Suchita Dalal, the inspector, the family also. So that was really you could go along with the story and be part of the story. And that's where like Scam 92 again goes ahead. So, and of course, the casting was really good, of the journalist, of the inspectors, of Harshad Mehta, his brother, the other stockbrokers like bears, bulls, and it was also because there were no more details, you understood who are bears and who are the bulls. So overall, I would say Scam 92 really pips Big Bull in content, in delivery, in the end product. But then do watch Big Bull also, because enough effort has been made, and don't worry to get the picture. The only difference in storyline was the ending. As in maybe he was just jailed and there was not much two way की death कशी झाली. Eventually in like 5 years after he was arrested, as per the history or whatever is documented, taka chest pain or heart attack and he died. But in Big Bull त्यांच्यानी अशी open ended सोडला की ते okay, it is a heart attack or something related to chest, but was it really a murder? Because ताणे high political लोकांची नावां घेतिल्ली, so they have kept it open. I don't know why they had to do it, but they kind of did that. Maybe they trailer दाखोवपाक बी पोना, but that's what. And there they named the prime minister openly. I think in Scam 92 they did not really, although Narasimha Rao was one of the person accused and he got a clean chit during the investigations. But at the end of it, right, I feel that, and this is not the first such biographical series or a movie, right? Sanjay Datta's Kala, this is now Harshad Mehta, and more such autobiographicals will be done on people who have been arrested, who have done something wrong, and public opinion was there. Any movie करून तांकां सामकी positive light and दाखयता. So I don't know how good that is. That interpretation should be left. But while making such things, right, I think directors, writers take some liberty to show some mirch masala, to show some positive, to make these people positive. Yeah, in Harshad Mehta's case, they said, okay, he made a lot of money, but many people also made money, but then eventually many people lost their money also. And what he did was not really ethical. It was illegal. So you can't say that Baba he made a money for India or Indians. That's why he was right. So like anything you can legitimize, right? Ki Baba हे करून तुका फायदो जाता. फायदोच पळोवपाचो, that's the problem. As long as it's legal, you're fine. But if it's illegal, no matter whom it helps, it is still wrong. दॅट इज माय मेसेज की हे सिरीज और मुवीज तुम्ही पळयतले जाल्यार जस्ट फॉर द मसाला, जस्ट एज अ मूवी पळयात. डोंट इंटरप्रेट एनीथिंग आउट ऑफ इट because these are director's interpretation. There are some scenes, some story might be added just to take it forward to make it more appealing. So we don't really know the story. रियल स्टोरीज आहे, तुम्ही ऑफिशियल डॉक्युमेंट्स वाचा, विकिपीडिया गुगल करात, डू युअर ओन रिसर्च. बट फक्त मुव्हीजचे जे मूवी पळून तुम्ही इंटरप्रेट करनाका की वॉट इज द एक्चुअल स्टोरी. दिस इज नॉट रियल स्टोरी, इट इज बेस्ड ऑन द रियल स्टोरी. And there might be some liberties taken by the writer director. So तुम्ही कमेंट्स घालात म्हाका, तुम्ही पळयला जाल्यार तुमचें मत कितें तें. आनी म्हजो ईमेल आय डी आसा konkanifundays@gmail.com. Do let me know your views. Thank you guys. Bye.